Saturn's moons look ancient and frozen, right? Well, they're hiding a pretty violent and surprisingly recent past.
This one question is totally rewriting what we know about Saturn's entire system. Let's get into it.
So our first clue comes from a really unlikely suspect, Saturn's little moon, Mimas.
For the longest time, everyone just thought it was a boring, dead world. You know, the Death Star moon. But a pretty shocking discovery has completely flipped that idea on its head. Okay, so how do you find an ocean you can't even see? Turns out, you don't look for it. It's kind of like spinning an egg to tell if it's raw or hard-boiled. The inside changes everything. By digging into old Cassini data, scientists saw that Mimas wobbles way too much for a solid body. Its orbit drifted by 10 kilometers. A tiny shift, but it was the smoking gun for a liquid interior.
And we're not talking about some small pond. This ocean makes up more than half the moon's entire volume.
But here's the real shocker. This ocean is brand new, cosmically speaking, maybe only 5 million years old. Mimas's young ocean is just one piece of the puzzle. Now let's jump over to Saturn's biggest moon, Titan. See, the whole system is kind of weird. Young rings, strange orbits, and Titan barely has any craters. Scientists now think one single, giant event could actually be the answer to all these mysteries. And this collision, which probably created the Titan we see today, happened pretty recently. What's so amazing is how this one theory just elegantly solves so many of the system's puzzles at once. So you've got this young ocean on Mimas and the violent birth of Titan. They're pointing to the same thing.
Saturn's moons aren't just ancient relics. They're survivors of a recent, really chaotic shakeup.
And you know what? We're actually going to get a chance to test this whole wild theory.
NASA's Dragonfly mission is headed to Titan, and it's going to look for proof of this massive collision.
I mean, if a boring moon has a secret ocean, it just makes you wonder what else is hiding out there.